to go to school anyway? Well, because Brownie, it's so we can get our education. Yeah, S'mores is right, Brownie. Mama even said that we should get an education so we can grow up to be smart adults when we grow up. Fine, let's go to school. Finally we're here. Yeah, let's go in. Wait for me, guys. I wonder where the principal's office is. Maybe I could ask. Maybe we could ask one of those students. They look like they've been longer. They look like they've stayed longer than us. What do you want, twerp? I think I'll just go. I think I'll just, go. See, look, you made me look bad in front of the ladies. Look, you little twerp. Just tell me what you want so that I can get my girls back. I just want to know where the principal's office is. The principal's office? Do you see that glowing star? Do you see the door with the glowing star, you idiot? That's the principal's office. Ugh, wasting my time. Hey, baby. Oh, really? Okay. Oh, they're gone? Yeah, baby, they're gone. Nobody wants to be with me. Anyways, let's go, guys. Okay, guys, I think this is it. This turkey is delicious. I must ask the lunch lady where she got it. Hello? What is it now, Jonathan? Jonathan, what did you do now? No, this is Brownie. And S'mores. And Grayson. So it looks like you are the new students. I heard that you guys were actually triplets. Wait, we were born on the same year? So that explains why we're all the same age and no one's younger. Yes, you all are triplets. Anyways, how may I help you? Yeah, I want to know what our class, which is our classroom. Okay. So, your classroom is B3. Yes, B3, okay? Okay, our class is B3. But since you got... Okay, so your class is... Brownie and Sugar's class is B3, while Grayson is an A5. Pooh, we're not in the same classes. Anyways, good day. Okay. They're gone? Oh, my sweet delight. Okay, guys. Remember, your class... So, remember, Mia and S'mores' class is B3, while Grayson's class is A5. Hey guys, that's the bell. Let's go. Go to our classes. See you guys later. Okay, let's go. Okay, class. Welcome to your first I'm going to be your teacher for the rest of the semester. And my name is Mrs. Star. Now, everyone, meet the new kids.
Hi, I'm Brownie. My species is a dog, and I'm 10 years old.
Hi. Hey, hello. Hello, everybody. I am S'mores. I am Brownie's sister. And I am also her triplet, even though she's a dog because she was a surgery girl. But anyways, since that Brownie is my sister, I care about her a lot. So nobody ever get near her without my permission. Okay, you guys can sit. Oh, I almost forgot the name board. Ah, perfect, the name board. So, as you can see, we also added Brownie and S'mores' names. It's because since they are new, we must introduce them in every way possible. Sweet, my name's next to Brownie's name. Hey.
Ew, my name is next to S'mores'? Ugh, he's such a goody two-shoes. Blech.
I think I might be in the Hall of Honor because of him. Blech. But anyways, class, let us start with the lesson. Okay, class. So what is 1 plus 2?
Ooh, me.
Yes, Brownie.
It's 3.
Correct. Okay, class. Now what does this equal?
Me.
Yes, Kai.
That equals 8.
Congratulations. I am very impressed. A perfect streak as always. Okay, class. Now you can go for lunch. The bell is about to ring.
No, S'mores, I have to confess something.
What is it?
Even on my first day of school, I think I have a crush.
What the? On who?
It's on Kai.
The local nerd? Brownie.
It's just that he's just so cute once he solves an equation. It just brings me over.
Well, opposites do attract. I don't blame you, sis. Hey, give me your food.